mga lolo. Ma. Ilan? Ayun. Tinago na yung date. Nahalata. Baka bukas yun. Baka ibang grade yun. 9th grade nga, sabi ko.
Your award and stop on the X, but it's very quick. You can stop on the X, smile, and keep walking. We're not doing a line, so just keep it going. But if you would like to smile for your parent and take the picture, there's the X for you to do so. Thumbs up, we're ready? All right, so now I'm going to introduce Dr. Hadley. He will be announcing our President's Honor Roll 4.0 GPA.
All right, parents and students, let's get this started. Students who are on the Principal's Honor Roll has earned a perfect 4.0 GPA, or straight A's, in the spring semester. Parents, please give these students a round of applause.
Woo!
Sophia Alvarado, Rayanne Arcinas, Jayla Berlan,
Up in the middle.
Camila Bermudez, Azaleen Chavez, Julian Cisneros, Kyron Cordova,
Right there. Warm it up.
Kayla Dagala, Kayleen Eshion, Andrew Lazaga, Kimberly Entice, Gavin Gabat, Callis Gamino, Orlando Gonzalez, Angeline Guerrero, Alejandro Gutierrez Rosas, Madeline Hernandez, Gabriel Hernandez, Albert John, Anita Legespi, Athena Lou, Kylie Lara, Lionel Lujan, Cyrus, Kayleen Eshion, Andrew Lazaga, Kimberly Entice, Gavin Gabat, Callis Gamino, Orlando Gonzalez, Angeline Guerrero, Alejandro Gutierrez Rosas, Madeline Hernandez.
Yeah. All right. Woo, let's go.
I got two. Dalawa. May pwede po yung kami kuhanin. Kami tatlo. Ano?
Nakita dito. Ako, makain na. Akin to, noodles. Yung fa, mamaya sa inyo.
Bigyan kitang pansit, bigyan mo ko ng rice.
Nasaan? Nahulog. Ayun na nga. May music. Ayun. Oh. Lagyan niya ng soy
So
sauce.
you're willing to go with
May oyster sauce pa dyan.
Oh, adi ayos.
Half and half.
Half and half. I said, sila. Ang sausawan nila dito. Ito po. Sriracha.
Ano nangyari sa ating pagkain? Ang evidence.
Makakain pa natin yan mamaya.
Yeah, well, I think it's to go.
We're gonna share each other. Thank you. You're welcome, anak. Just a little bit, but I know it's worth it.
You're rich. Yeah, we'll just walk a little bit here. So check out the place a little bit. Dito. Yun tayo magdaan. Ay, sorry. Dapat natatambay. Baka sa next Tuesday, di na ako namambay. Kasi masarap pa dito. Kasi naghintay ako ng parking minsan. Para have no place to stop, to hang out. I used to go to Starbucks to hang out. Maybe I'll try this place next time. Ayun pa rin. They're still making the video. Tiki-tik.
My hand's getting cold.
Your hand getting cold? Want me to hold that for you? I don't think you'll trust me with that. It's gonna be gone. Sige, dalawa. Baka kayong ano. Sige, lakad lang kayo. Lakad lang. Para kayong ano.
Yang suot ni Papa.
Uh-huh.
Mga dalawang
Oo. Lacoste too much.
Kilala ko yan.
Lacoste too much.
At saka itong
Lacoste too much.
sapatos yan, 200 yan.
Oo. Oh, siyempre. Meron may mga Alzheimer na nakakalimutan kung saan nakalagay yung closet niya. Kaya nadali ko yun, isa. Dito. Kayo magdaan. Nakalakas too much yan.
Dami ni Papa doon na
Mamaya madami pala akong mga arbor dito. Tingnan mo yan, no? Oh, mamaya, wag mo iwan yan. Baka mawala sa closet mo yan mamaya. Magpapapakait lang ng konti. Ha?
yung sapatos niya, ano? Yung tawag niya?
Ito na. Oh.